In this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch mature content on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to allow watching of mature content, you need to go ahead and turn off restricted mode. To do this, head over to your TikTok account. If you are on the homepage, head over to profile here and then tap on these three lines. And from here, go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, go to content preferences. And here you can see restricted mode is on. This means mature content has been disabled on this account. And the only content that I'm watching is content that is comfortable for all audience. To watch mature content or allow watching mature content on TikTok account, go ahead and turn this off. And then go ahead and choose any of the reason and then submit. And here you can see this has been turned on. So that's how you can enable watching of mature content on TikTok account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.